Meaning of fruit cup.
Fruit cup.
Fruit cup.
Fruit cup.
Fruit cup. A fruit cup typically refers to a combination of various types of chopped or sliced fresh fruits, such as apples, bananas, strawberries, and grapes, served in a cup or bowl. The fruit may be seasoned with sugar, honey, or lime juice to enhance the flavor. These cups are often sold pre-made at grocery stores or served as a healthy snack option at schools and other institutions. They're a popular choice for people looking for a refreshing and nutritious alternative to sugary snacks or junk food. Overall, a fruit cup presents a delicious and convenient way to enjoy a variety of fruits.